Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Elkhart County, Indiana, east central St. Joseph County, Indiana, northwestern LaGrange County in northeastern Indiana, southeastern Cass County in southwestern Michigan, southwestern St. Joseph County in southwestern Michigan, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Elkhart, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, or error indicated.
That doesn't mean that a tornado will not happen. The location is pretty well at this point. For the
Expect wind damage to roofs,
straight line wind,
and trees.
and there's probably some hail
Locations of
with this
hazard
particular
include
well.
Elkhart,
And that's the other thing I want to show you.
Three Rivers,
Put it this on
Simonton Lake, Granger, Middlebury, Osceola, Constantine, Bristol, White Pigeon, Union, Scott, Montville, Shipshewana, Jimtown, and Shavehead Lake. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 85 and 115. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, LaGrange, and St. Joseph, and the following counties in Michigan: Cass and St. Joseph.
They still have somewhat.
The tornado warning for northwestern Elkhart, northeastern St. Joseph, and south central Cass counties will expire at 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The tornado threat has diminished and the tornado warning has been canceled. However, large hail and damaging wind remain likely and a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for the area. However, heavy rain is still possible with this thunderstorm. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for north central Indiana and southwestern Michigan. Repeating.
The one thing that does happen though